Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Hilux SR dual cab Ute, stock reference number 5046. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2005 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror, Mac built steel tray. Does have some surface rust on it. Diamond plate floor. Does have some damage on the right rear guard. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. And a right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior which requires cleaning. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.